Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find your routing number in OnePay using an app. Let's get started. First, on your iPhone and open the OnePay app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on Cash Control at the bottom of your screen. Now scroll down and tap on Link Accounts. Here you will see all your linked accounts. Now tap on Bank Account. On the account details screen, you will see routing number and account number. The routing number is usually a 9-digit number. This is the number you save for direct deposit or transfer. You may see a copy or share button next to the routing number. Tap it to copy the number so you can paste it where needed. Always double check the number before using it. Now you can see your routing number for direct deposit, paying bills and linking of bank account. Only share this information with trusted source and that's it. You have successfully found your routing number in OnePay using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.